Lightning Lesson Channel. All thumbs. Green thumb. Rule of thumb. Idioms often have a meaning that is different from what the words literally suggest. All thumbs. This means clumsy, especially with hands. You use this as part of a sentence. Here are a few examples. I was all thumbs while trying to put together the new furniture, but eventually I got the hang of it. He was all thumbs when he first tried cooking, but now he's an expert in the kitchen. I'm all thumbs when it comes to wrapping gifts. Green thumb. This means to be naturally good at gardening, someone who can make plants grow well and stay healthy. You use this as part of a sentence. Here are a few examples. My grandma has a green thumb. Her garden is full of the most beautiful flowers every spring. I wish I had a green thumb like my aunt. She can make anything grow. He has a green thumb. Everything he plants blooms beautifully, even in the winter. Rule of thumb. This means a general guideline or principle based on experience. You use this as part of a sentence. Here are a few examples. A good rule of thumb when baking is to always preheat the oven before you start mixing ingredients. As a general rule of thumb, she never answers work emails after 7 p.m. As a rule of thumb, you should always back up your files regularly. Thanks for watching and learning with us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.